How to find Nike working coupon codes. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Here we go. At the top you will see the search box. Over there type in Nike promo code and search for it. Different website links will appear. Using any of these websites you can easily get a working promo code for Nike. So go ahead and open any of these. I'm gonna open this one, Los Angeles. After you open it, you're going to find tons of deals and offer. You can see that 60% offer, 10% offer, 50% offer and many more. You can also check out other websites. Also, let me check out this one website, Groupon. In this website as well, you're going to find amazing offers and deal. $20 off, 40% off, 50% off and many more. Get towards any of the offer that you want to grab, just click on it. So here's the code, you can copy it, then click on Shop Now. You will be directed to the official website of Nike. Now you can log into your account. Once logged in, you can select the items that you want to purchase and proceed to checkout. In the checkout page, you will find the section of promo code. Over there, paste the code and confirm your order. With that, you will get the discount. Likewise, you can also try out all the offers. As in this page, you're going to find tons of offers. Just scroll and check. Also make sure to check out this website, as these websites will also provide you working coupon codes for Nike. Well, this way you can easily get a working coupon code for Nike. Well, that's a wrap for this video. If you guys find this video helpful, smash that like button, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.